welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we have an install video and like a styling all in one. I got my hair done by the Lace Parlor on Instagram. I'm gonna plug her down below because she did my hair real cute. And I'm just gonna be doing a voiceover today because I just thought, why not, in it? Because I don't really do voiceover, so I just thought, why not? So as you saw before, she was just slicking down my edges with Got To Be, and she just put on a wig cap because we're going to be doing the wig cap method. She's using the black Got To Be all over the edges and also the Got To Be freeze spray. This is just to stick on the wig cap. You can use the freeze spray if you want, or just the Got To Be, but yeah. And she's going to be blow drying it, especially the corners, because girl, if I tell you the corners, yeah, the way we were struggling throughout the video, I edited this so you're not seeing all that struggle, okay? But she's gonna be using my foundation shade all over the wig cap. You guys know what I'm talking about because you've probably seen this wig cap method like loads of times if you wear wigs. But yeah, she's now just cutting off the excess lace and just using a bit more freeze spray on any edges that are looking a bit crinkle. But yeah, I don't know if I should talk, if I need to do a voiceover for English for this bit, because I'm pretty sure you guys know how the wig cap method works. But if you don't, it's basically using a wig cap, put your foundation shade, just so it's more realistic when you have your lace frontal on the top. It just looks really good, okay? This is the first time I did it and I could tell the difference. So now she's using rubbing alcohol and also a cotton pad to just wipe it around the hairline. So when she does use the glue to stick on, the frontal will just be really clean, okay? She's using what I've put on the wig. This is a Lemoda hair wig, 24 inches deep wave. It's meant to be 13x6, but I don't think that one is 13x6. It's really nice. It's it doesn't shed much, only sheds when you brush it, but to be honest, that's with all curly hair. Curly hair just expects some shedding. So if you're looking for a new deep wave wig, I highly recommend. So she's now using lace glue. This is from her own brand, I believe, the Lace Parlor, and I'll put this down below alongside her Instagram. And yeah, she's just using this one. I don't really use lace glue too tough unless someone else is putting it on my head, or if like I have an occasion. But I used it today and it lasted me for like a good couple days. It came off. It could have lasted me longer, but me, I just sleep very rough. At times I don't sleep with the bonnet, so yeah. She's using 2 layers just to make sure we have a really strong hold. Yeah, just to make sure that we have a really strong hold. She's now sticking down the lace. Okay, she's sticking down the lace on the glue and the something. You know what I mean. I like this method better than when people cut the lace and then they glue it on. I just find that bit so tedious and so long. This way I just find it really easy, and you can then cut around the hairline and do the styles that you need to, okay? She's now using a blow dryer and a comb to, like, you know, really stick it in. She's cutting the lace with some scissors and just going over any bits that lifted with some extra lace glue and just sticking that down so we have a really nice hold, okay? She's now using an elastic band, or like a headband, sorry. This is just to ensure that there's a stronger melt on the head. This method, okay, if you're not doing this when you are trying to lay your wigs, I'm sorry. So now I think after this she's gonna use a hot comb. So I don't remember what product she used. I think she used beeswax, the Marae's one, I think, and she's just putting that at the front. This one you can just use like something that you have at home, and she's now going over with a hot comb just to ensure that it's all slick and everything. As I said, for this install we also did like 4 different hairstyles that you can do with a frontal, and I'm gonna add, obviously it's gonna be in the clip, but if you go over to her Instagram, the Lace Parlor follow her, please. Thank you. You're able to see all the hairstyles that we did more in depth, because in this video obviously I cut it, I edited, I did this and this and that. So yeah, so I think now she's gonna start off by giving me some edges, and I really did like the edges that she gave me. They looked really nice, because I do not know how to do edges for the life of me, but these ones looked really nice. They looked really natural. They didn't look too okay. So she's just getting 4 strips of hair at the front to create edges. I look like Spider-Man. But she's now swooping and whooping. You guys know what she's doing. Like, if you do frontals or you wear frontals, you know what she's doing. I don't know if you guys want me to talk too tough in it, but she's just creating some edges. I'm just gonna keep quiet because I feel like I'm talking too much. If I'm not talking too much, just comment down below you're not talking too much. Yeah, so she's now gonna do the same thing. She's gonna take a headband and just put it over my head, over the front of the hairline, to just really secure the hair and stuff. So as I said, she was doing 4 different hairstyles. The first one that we're going to be doing is a half up, half down. I didn't know how this was going to turn out, because to be fair, I hate half up, half down on my head shape. Don't work. But this one looked really, really cute. Again, go over to her Instagram and you can see all the different styles that we did. So she's just taking like a slick brush, a hard brush, I don't know what you guys call it. And she's just slicking down the front. And oh, I'm sorry for the camera change, but oh girl, the camera change. She's using a hot comb, securing it different. She's just combing the front of my hair and parting across my hair, just so we have a nice middle part. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like I'm talking too much. I'll just talk when necessary, so I'll let you guys enjoy. As you guys can see, I said I was gonna stop talking, but here I am. As you guys can see, she's added like another headband or headscarf, whatever you want to call it, just to ensure that the hair is real sleek. Okay, and it's already looking like something, right? Okay, so because this is a deep wave wig, curly wig. Is it deep wave? Yeah, she's just applying water all over the hair and she's just combing it. For this hair, it requires water. If you have mousse, that's even better, sis. That's even better. And she's just going to be wrapping. She's taking a small section from the back of the hair, and she's just going to be wrapping it around the hair, so it looks, neat. It looks nice, cute, presentable. And look at the melt. Look at the melt. Look at the edges. Need I say more? Period. I don't need to say more. You guys just be booking, sha. So this is... Oh, sugar, I went fast. I'm sorry. So this is the second hairstyle that we did. It was just a sleek middle part. I think this was actually my favorite. What do you call it? It was my favorite sleek middle... What? English? It was my favorite style out of the 4 styles that we did. I just love a good sleek middle part, and this one, she did her thing still. Okay, so she's just using a hot comb over the front, and she's just using a lot of water because this hair requires a lot of water. So if you have a spray bottle in hand, that would be great. Look at the edges. Look how clean and neat the hair looks, guys. Can you deep it? Just be booking. And imagine she's only 16. So guys, put some money in her pocket. What's your cash app? But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. I think now we're going into the third hairstyle. This one was a braided, like something like down the side of the left and the right, and she's just drawing them back. Girl, the way I edited this video, yeah, because the stress that she was going through to braid the hair, because the hair obviously is curly, so it tangles. Boy, thank God for editing. But she's just gonna be braiding it down the side and down the other side. I need to stop talking. Let me stop talking. Oh girl, you tired. Yeah, so she did that, and then also she did it on the other side, and she just joined it all at the back of the head, just so it looks like something. This one was also a cute style, but if you've got time in it, because this one requires patience and time, me, I would have given up. But this is also a cute style. And the last part that we did was a side part. I also did like the side part, but I think I like the middle part a bit better, because middle parts suit me more when I'm wearing curly wigs, side parts suit me more when I'm wearing straight wigs. But yeah, as you can see, she's just gonna be spraying the hair with water, using a bit of hot comb, I think you guys really understand what you guys get the gist. You guys get the gist, because I know you guys here be looking like you get the gist. I'll stop talking again. But yeah, guys, that's just, look at the edges, please and thank you. Only, but that's literally just how the hair looks. I think this is like the last bit of the distin. Guys, please do be checking out her page, because her hair, well, my hair looked really nice, and that's all I have to say, really. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 2,000 followers, and that is it.